Superman, I'm a boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. It's evolution. Everything's about to change. Let's get it poppin', don't light it up, baby. This is what I do. What was written in the
Shopee mo ah. Pinayaran ko na yan. Hanggang dito ba naman?
It's evolution. It's evolution. Everything's about to change. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. Can't stop me now. Can't stop what I've been on. Into the great beyond. Can't stop what I've become. Everything's about to change. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. Everything's about to change. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. It's evolution. Everything's about to change.
Okay. Salamat sa Diyos sa araw na ito. Siyang nagbigay sa iyo sa akin. Gusto din kitang pasalamatan sa maraming bagay, pero higit sa lahat, gusto kitang pasalamatan dahil hayaan mo akong maging parte ng buhay sa araw na ito.
Spot you in the morning, looking over my shoulder.
Alam natin na kung meron tayong babalikan, na dapat binabalikan ng lahat ng mag-asawa, yung sinabi nila, on that day get married. Yung mga sasabihin nyo mamaya, that's the bond that will hold you together. Bakit po ba? Ano po ba yung bawas sa ating magbitawan ngayon? Number one, it is our promise to God. Kaya nga, that's the reason why in this wedding, we make it a point that God will be the center. We worship God prior to the actual ceremony ng ating ng kasalang ito.
Turn around and it feels like home. Look around and it feels like home.
I also vow to respect you from this day forth. May mga times man na may mga misunderstanding, pero salamat kasi mahinahon mo yun, pinapaunawa sa akin. Kaya simula ngayon, I vow to respect your decision. I vow to respect you in front of our family, in front of our church, and most importantly, I will respect you in front of our future children. I promise to hold your hand until Christ returns, and I will back you up as you serve His Christ, as you serve His church.
I can look you in the eye and the trail grows colder. Through it all,
Maaring talagang nawala na talaga sa isip, o di ba hindi na mahalaga? Diba? Kaya ibig sabihin talagang mahalaga. Kung paano mahalaga sa Diyos, kung babasahin niyo po ang Biblia, napakahalaga sa Diyos ng mga dates, ng mga festivals, ng panahon na talagang sila ay pinalaya ng Panginoon and all that. Dahil mahalaga sa Panginoon ang mga panahon pakipagtagpo sa kanyang bayan. At ganoon din lalo sa mga asawa niya.
Sasamahan kang kumain ng maming gala kahit madalas kang sa gabi nag-aaya. Sa kahinaan ay iintindihin ka at sa araw-araw ay pipiliin ka. Pipiliing pasahin ka kahit minsan ay nakakabwisit na. Yan na, in-edit ko to, no? Hindi nata na yun. Oh, mahal, mamahalin kita ng malala. Pero hindi magsasawa. Maglaho man ang kilig at pakiramdam, patuloy kang hahawakan. babalikan ng nakaraan, aalalahanin ng dahilan.
Lost heart in a golden state.
11 seconds. Waiting for 7 years, please.
Turn around and it feels like home. Look around and it feels like home. Every morning embraced our moment to make it. Turn around and it feels like home. Look around and it feels like home. Every morning we wait our moment to take it.
Mahal, simula sa araw na to, mababago ang ating mundo. Mula sa pagiging mag-isa, sa pagiging isa. Mga nakasanayang hindi na pwedeng balikan patungo sa buhay ng panibagong pagsasamahan, kasamang hindi pwedeng paghiwalayin ni naman. Panibagong mundong gagalawan na malayo sa kinagisnan upang maging kawangis ng ating pinagmulan.
Yeah, the world can bring us down, but I still believe somehow it's all gonna be alright.
So from this day,
Come what
I vow to love you more. To love you more doesn't mean mamahalin kita na higit sa pagmamahal mo sa akin. Pero mamahalin kita higit sa anumang sitwasyon na pagdadaanan natin. Mamahalin kita higit sa anumang sakit at karamdaman. Mamahalin kita higit sa anumang pagsubok. At mamahalin kita higit sa anumang imperfections.
nothing between us, you, me, and Jesus.
Oh, we'll have a few fights,
Who's wrong and who's right? But I want you to know.
Panibagong yugto na walang kasiguraduhan, ngunit sasamahan kang lakaran ng kawalan, patungo sa pangakong buhay na walang hanggan. Sasamahan kang lumago sa pamamagitan ng mga hadlang na panandalian lang dahil pagtatagumpayan. Pagsubok ay kasiguraduhan, ngunit pangakong may masasandalan kung ikay mabibigatan. Di magsasawang ikay samahan sa kagutuman at katakawan.
When the waters rise and we face the fire, we'll rest in our foundation, hand in hand, on our knees, nothing between us, you, me, and Jesus.
Salamat sa palaging pagsabi sa akin na ako ay bunga ng iyong panalangin. Dahil nais mo na isang taong susuporta sa iyo sa paglilingkod mo sa Panginoon. And here I am, fulfilling that prayer. I love you, Julius. Salamat sa pagiging kuya. Opo, kuya. Kuya Julius, kaibigan, mentor, comforter, and for being my partner in Christ. I will hold your hand and love you from this moment until my last. I love you, Mr. Lucas.
In the end, even death could only lead us.
Mamahaling parang sa sinimulan, hindi iiwanan sa tagaraw at tagulan. Sisikaping ibigay ang pangangailangan, sasamahang ang misyon ay malakaran. Iingatan ang iyong kaligtasan at pangakong makikita sa buhay.